In our busy lives, many of us rely on that morning cup of coffee to jumpstart our day. But what if I told you there's a better way to start your morning routine? Hello, my name is Hadi. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will discuss the consequences of drinking coffee on an empty stomach and give you the tips to reduce the effects of coffee. Let's talk about the impact of coffee on our body. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can have a number of side effects, including digestive problems. Coffee can stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can lead to indigestion, bloating, nausea, and heartburn. Increased stress hormone levels. Coffee can increase levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol can have a number of negative effects on the body, including stress increasing blood pressure, suppressing the immune system, weaken the defense, and increasing the risk of heart disease. Blood sugar spikes. Coffee can cause rapid increase in blood sugar levels, especially in people with diabetes. Dehydration. Coffee can cause dehydration, especially if you drink it without any food. Here are some tips for reducing the side effects of drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Eat something before drinking coffee. Eating something before drinking coffee can help to buffer the effects of caffeine and reduce the risk of digestive problems. Drink coffee slowly. Drinking coffee slowly can help to prevent your body from absorbing too much caffeine too quickly. Limit your intake. If you are sensitive to caffeine, it is important to limit your intake of coffee. The American Heart Association recommends that adults consume no more than 400 milligrams of caffeine per day. Choose decaf. If you are concerned about the side effects of drinking coffee, you can choose decaf. Decaf coffee still contains some caffeine, but it is much less than regular coffee. It is important to note that drinking coffee on an empty stomach is not necessarily harmful forever. Some people may be able to tolerate it without any problems. However, if you experience any of the side effects listed above, it is best to avoid drinking coffee on an empty stomach.